For more Bollywood gossips, hit the bell icon and never miss a video from Bollywood Spy.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give
To see from Shreya Som. We had the lovely Disha Patni walking for the show. Thank you so much. You really brought red carpet glamour back to our Lakme Fashion Week, and it was a great show that we just got to see. Shreya, if you could tell us what was the inspiration behind this collection, because Disha looks fantastic.
So this one is more about being playful and a lot of light silhouettes, ruffly, because obviously our summers are so hot. So something that we could actually like start the party with and end in the same outfit.
That's lovely. If you could let us know exactly what Disha is wearing and the detailing that went into creating this.
So she's wearing an off-the-shoulder ruffle gown, something that Super Tear took a lot of time to make, and she looks beautiful in it.
Yes, she really does. And the
Yeah.
makeup is on point as well, Disha. You look like as though you walk right off the runway onto a red carpet and come to our post show. So thank you so much for coming here. Disha, how does it feel for you to work for a designer like Shreya Som? She's a very well-known designer in fashion, and to have her, ask you to, if you could be my showstopper, what was that like?
Hi, well, it's a privilege for me for sure, and I just saw her designs, and they're so beautiful, and like I'm sure it has taken a lot of work and a lot of time and a lot of hard work to make those pieces, and I'm so happy that she chose me to be her showstopper.
Very, very much in need for that showstopper thing as well. You look absolutely gorgeous. I could not
Thank
say
you,
enough.
all because of her.
Media, if we have any questions.
Yes, so I think ruffle for the summer is something that's really need be because it's not very heavy, it's light, And yeah, you can have it's modern at the same time. You can have it in a really classic silhouette.
Does it define my personality? Well, yeah, somehow, because it's very pretty. I like to wear something simple. The color is beautiful. I think the theme is called Summer of Love. And I like lovely clothes and I like romantic, and the feel is also romantic and boho. So somehow it goes with my personality for sure. I don't have any style statement. I like to be in my track pants and my sports attire. Whole day I'm doing something like physically, charging my body, doing some kind of workout. So I like to be in comfortable clothes. But of course, when I go out for some event, I have to dress up in a certain way. Then I can actually experiment with my styling.
Hi, Shreya. You kept the tones really simple, really light colors. Apart from the whole summer thing, was there any specific reason for that?
I think I also design according to the mood I'm in. So right now I'm in that mood because it's, as you can see, it's getting really hot. But other than that, I think there's so many summer weddings and it's something that I would want to wear.
Thank you. Thank you so much, media. Just a request if we could have Shreya and Disha to the front for a couple of photo ops.